Hey everyone, welcome back to the Power BI series. In this video, we will dive into the part first of the data transformation using the Power Query Editor. We will clean up a messy dataset and get it ready for the analysis. Let's get started. So what we are going to do in this video, let's get started with that. So first of all, we will remove the irrelevant columns, then we will rename the columns, then fix the data type if there is anything, and filter out the blanks. And last but not the least, wrap up for the next part of it. All right, so don't waste here, just let's get into the practical part directly. All right, so here we are in the Power BI. So we have at least 3 tables. We will continue with any one of it. So for this, just click on the transformation data from here and just wait for to open it. All right, so we are here. Let's click on the employee data. We have a data right here. Now first of all, what we will do, let's analyze which column is irrelevant for the perspective of Power BI dashboard. So let's see, I can find at least 2 columns, notes and temp columns. So how we can remove them? So first of all, select it, then right click on it, and there is an option remove. You can also click on this. See, it has removed. Now let's see what is the other way we can do it. So just click on the temp column, we want to delete it, and here on the ribbon you can see remove columns. Just click on that and it removed. Alright, next is how to change the name of any of the column. So let's say we have full name and I want to change it to employee name. So let's see and enter, and that's how we can easily change the name of any of the column. Now next, what is next? Next is, let's see the data types of the columns. So first of all, just select the data, select the column, then go to the transformation. Here you can find what is the data type of this particular column. So it is showing the whole number. Let's see the employee name. This is text, and the age seems to be a whole number, but it is showing any. That means it is not able to identify which data type it is. So just click on the drop down and you can find the whole number. Just click on the whole number and here it goes. All right, and that is how we can easily change the data type. Let's see what is the join date. It is showing the date, that's correct. Department ID is also whole number, and gender. So gender, we have male and female, male and female, and it is showing the text. That's completely fine. What else apart from this? Yes, we can see a lot of null values right here. How we can deal? So just click on the employees header. So just select entire column, and on the right of it, just click on the drop down arrow and see remove empty. You just have to click on this and see there is no null value right here. Now the same for the join date. Just click on it and the drop down, remove the empty, and here it goes. So this is how we can easily remove the null values from the data set. Now this is something we have cleaned up the data and made it for the reliable, and in the next part of it we will dive into the splitting column, then removing the duplicates and merging the tables. And don't forget to like, subscribe and press on the bell so you don't miss it. I'll catch you in the next part of it. Thank you so much.